You are welcome to Tutor Faraday channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to recover deleted TikTok drafts. Is that even possible? In this video, you are going to get to know. So right here is the homepage of my TikTok app. In order for you to recover your deleted TikTok drafts, maybe you uninstalled your TikTok and your drafts got deleted or missing on your TikTok app. This is what you can easily do. So right here at the bottom, you can see the profile icon. You need to go to your profile just like this. So right here at the top right corner, you can see the three line icon right there. You can go ahead and click on it and click on settings and privacy. So right here you need to scroll and click on activity center. Now let's take for instance you deleted it by mistake. You can easily go to this place where you can see recently deleted and click on recently deleted like this. You're going to be able to see it right here. But if you did not actually deleted it yourself, or it has actually been long the draft got deleted on your device and it is not showing on recently deleted. So this is what you can actually do next. Scroll right here on your settings and privacy and click on report a problem. Looking here, you're going to see where it says creation. You need to expand that section. Scroll and click on drafts. Looking here, the first option here says missing drafts. So that is where you need to actually click on missing drafts like this. Now it says here, one of the reasons why your draft might get missing is if you uninstall the TikTok app and reinstate it on another device. That is one of the reasons why your draft might get deleted. And also when you move or switch into a different device, that is when your draft is going to get deleted. Now we want to actually recover this. We need to click on no, this did not solve our problem, then click on need more help. So right here you need to report to TikTok by typing in something like this. You can type it just like this. Hello TikTok support, I recently noticed that one of my important drafts has been deleted from my account by mistake. I did not intentionally delete it, and I would really appreciate if you could help me recover it. You can just type in this just exactly how I did mine. Now it says here, hello, I understand you're trying to recover a deleted TikTok draft. Drafts are stored only on your device, and if they are deleted, removed due to uninstalling app or switching device, they can't be recovered. Please also note that drafts are not shared between different accounts on the same device. Should my previous answer not meet your words, would you be able to provide additional information or specify the difficulty you are experiencing? So as you can see here, one of the reasons why your draft might get missing on your device is because you uninstall it on another device, or maybe you reinstalled and uninstall your TikTok app on your device. So these are the reasons why it got deleted, and you can't actually do anything about it, as you can see right here. But you can as well click on this option right here at the bottom where it says contact an agent. Looking at the bottom, you can see that. Then go ahead and click on post and click on order. So when you do that, you'll be able to talk with TikTok agents one-on-one, and they are going to actually help you resolve this issue. So this is how simple it is to recover your deleted TikTok drafts. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos on this channel. See you in the next one.